Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to install a set of mirror block-off plates from new Rage Cycles on our 2017 STGR6 project bike. Okay, New Rage is a brand new vendor for us. I found them when I was looking for flush mount turn signals for the front of the 17R6 because I had put some different mirror eliminators on. They also had their own mirror eliminators. We want to do an install on this bike to show you how they complemented their turn signals as well. Pretty cool motorcycle people out of New York. Some fresh ideas for sure. Those LED signals are really bitchin'. These mirror eliminators are available only in black. They come with the supplied hardware for the install part of the video. The most relevant thing, the most helpful thing is going to be removing the mirrors themselves. Steve will include that in there for you. Look at the finished result. It is really flush the bodywork. Definitely looks cool. They go real nicely with the signals. If you're looking for that stealth look, that low profile finish, these are the way to go for sure. If you want more information, watch the second half where I install them on the bike. Removing the mirrors. Okay, we've got 10 mil fasteners back here. Not only do we have the fasteners, but remember we also have the wiring for the turn signals. Okay, we're going to have to manage that as well. Get the fasteners loose. Those are going to be easy for you to find. They're just 10 mil. Pretty basic stuff. And before I take both of them out completely, I'm going to get the flashlight out and I'm going to start manipulating the harness so we can get that ready to pass through the fairing. Okay, so I've got the mirror worked loose. One nut still holding it on. The flashlight out here. And let's see, hopefully we can find the connector nice and easy. Let's see which harness that is. I actually just pull the other nut out now so I can clearly identify the harness I need to pull through. Okay, and it is going to be right here. Set this to the side, be careful not to scratch the fairing. We'll get the flashlight so I can point this out to you. Okay, it's going to be this connector right here. You can see there is the lock tab at the bottom. See if I can release that with my thumb, which I was able to. Feed this up through the back side and out it comes. So that was really simple. Okay, another new product from New Rage, right? These are the mirror block-offs. This is a really, really basic part. Powder-coated black. It's real stealth, gonna go nice with their signals. If you want instructions, they're in color. Pictures included. You can find these on our website, of course, in the product listing or on New Rage's site. Come complete with hardware. These are locking nuts. Nice touch. Very basic hand tools needed once you have the mirrors removed from the motorcycle. These are, of course, designed to fit on one side or the other. Okay, we've got the one for the brake side right now. Considering the fact they're using a locking nut, there is no need to put any thread locker on there, okay? Once you get this tight, it's gonna stay in place, no problem. I realize this is a really basic install video, okay? Maybe the mirrors removal part, maybe that's gonna help you. This is really more about introducing a new vendor and showcasing the parts on this kick-ass R6. T-handle, 3mm T-handle, 8mm socket. Remember, that's a locking nut, so I will not be able to tighten that up by hand. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to get this run down most of the way by using the T-handle, and I don't want to do anything to scratch the surface on the block-off plate itself. So once I get it pretty close, I'll stop, and then I'll use the T-handle as the backup, and I'll finish tightening it using the wrench. I want to kind of get this thing centered up real nice. So as I snug them up, I might wiggle it around a little bit just so it's really just in the center, super nice. These definitely mount real flush. We have 2 sets of mirror eliminators right now on the site for the 17 and up R6. One is from New Rage that we're showing you here, and the other is from Driven Racing. The Driven Racing ones are available in multiple colors. A little larger, they stick up a little bit more, and the New Rage ones that we're showing you here are available in the black color, and you can see that they really mount up close to the fairings. Okay, there you go. Really easy install. It's mostly about showing you that finished result, okay? Real stealth, closer to the bodywork, a little bit closer than the Driven, which is kind of cool for sure. Show you how they look with the signals illuminated. Not bad, they look good. They definitely complement the signals. So like I said, we've got 2 options to go with on the block offs. This is gonna be the more stealth version. The Driven's gonna pop a little bit more. Quality's good. They fit real nice. I like the hardware that they were shipped with. All in all, good to go. This is the Mirror Eliminator install. New Rage Cycles 17 and up R6.